Gathered branches as a unique interior decoration, free. During walks in the forest, you can find many interesting twigs, both large and small, which you can then use to decorate your home. Using natural materials can help create a unique atmosphere in your household. While this idea isn't new, it's particularly intriguing for more skilled individuals who enjoy natural wooden accents. Found dry branches need to be cleaned and coated with a protective finish to prevent natural processes such as decay or diseases like mold. This finish also prevents larvae or woodworms from destroying your decoration. Prepared branches can also be painted or coated with varnish to preserve their original appearance.